Hello, everyone. Today, we're going to explore a very special story. One that's not just a colorful tale, but also carries a profound message about our lives and the world we live in. Have you ever heard of the journey to restore the heart of Te Fiti in the movie Moana? Imagine if one day, the heart of nature was lost. What would happen? Forests wither, oceans lose their vibrant blue, the skies turn gray, and we, who depend on nature, what would become of us? Let me share the story with you. In the tale, Te Fiti is the goddess of life, the one who grants vitality and beauty to the world. But when her heart is stolen, chaos ensues. Nature becomes angry, the environment begins to deteriorate, and humanity faces disastrous consequences. That's when Moana, a young girl with courage and love for her homeland, rises to the challenge. She overcomes countless difficulties and obstacles to return the heart to Te Fiti. And once the heart is restored, the world regains its balance, flourishing with greenery and peace. You see, this isn't just a myth. It's a reflection of the reality we're living in today. Isn't the heart of nature being lost right now? When the Amazon rainforest, the lungs of the earth, is being destroyed, when plastic waste pollutes our oceans, when climate change brings devastating storms and droughts, it seems that nature's heart is indeed crying out for help. And who will restore this heart? It's us. Yes, each of us can be a Moana in this journey to protect nature. We don't need to wait for big changes to come from others. We can start with small actions, planting a tree, reducing plastic use, separating our waste, conserving energy, or simply spreading awareness about protecting the environment to those around us. Think about it. If each of us contributes just a little, what might happen? Small actions can come together to create a big change. Step by step, we can restore the heart of nature, bringing life and balance back to our world. And you, the youth, full of energy and passion, are our greatest hope. Take action today. Start with the smallest things you can do and spread that positivity far and wide. Because nature isn't just a part of life, it's the heart, the very source of life for all of us. Remember, Moana didn't wait for someone else to take action. And neither should you. Be the leader of change. Protecting the environment is how we protect our future and the generations to come. We can do it, starting today, starting right now. And everyone, if you found this video inspiring and meaningful, don't forget to like to show your support, share this message to reach more people, and subscribe to the channel so you won't miss the next videos. Let's all be part of this change together. Thank you so much, and I'll see you in the next video.